Refrigerator organizer bins with pull-out drawers are designed to transform a cluttered fridge into a clean, structured, and highly efficient storage space. These bins make it easier to separate different food items while allowing you to quickly see and access everything without digging through stacked containers. The clear construction and smooth sliding drawer design bring convenience to everyday kitchen organization. The pull-out drawer mechanism is the standout feature, offering effortless access even to items stored at the back. Instead of removing multiple containers, you simply slide the drawer and reach what you need instantly. The bins are typically made from durable, food-safe plastic that resists cracking and is easy to clean. Their stackable structure helps maximize vertical fridge space, making them ideal for both small and large refrigerators. Ventilation design also helps keep fruits and vegetables fresher for longer by maintaining proper airflow. These organizer bins are especially useful for households that struggle with fridge clutter or food waste. By keeping items separated and visible, they help reduce forgotten leftovers and expired groceries. They work well for storing snacks, dairy products, sauces, meal prep ingredients, and fresh produce. The improved organization also saves time during cooking and grocery planning, since everything is easier to locate. Families, busy professionals, and meal prep enthusiasts will all find them practical for maintaining a tidy and efficient kitchen. Overall, refrigerator organizer bins with pull-out drawers offer a simple yet highly effective solution for improving refrigerator storage. They combine visibility, accessibility, and space-saving design into one practical system. Whether you are trying to upgrade your kitchen organization or simply reduce daily clutter, these bins provide a reliable and long-lasting way to keep your fridge neat and functional.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.